Hi, I'm Sarah, and this is my van.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jay Wheelie. So if you've been a subscriber for a while, like the past 6 to 8 months, you know about Sarah's van. If you don't, we're gonna do a little run through here. 2003 Ford Econoline E150 XL, as you can see. Boom. And we've been working on it a little bit last year. She bought it for 1,500 bones, and she's put some money into it. So we got the ladder on the side, solar panel up top that's not hooked up yet. What else is exciting about your van, Sarah?
Well, here, let me take this out first.
Yeah, we just got cabinets and stuff in here. This one was actually from a desk that we sawed apart. Used it in between the seats, but it didn't really work out. The drawers would get stuck and everything.
Gotta cut this mattress with the lovely little horsies, but...
Yeah, so we got a bed here. We got a pull-out table, a couple chairs that
fold up like that.
open up. Got some curtains in here now.
Access through here. Yeah.
Storage, there's a cooler under there. Lots of storage. It's like a pickup truck bed back there. There's quite a bit of room.
Sink will eventually function. It isn't right now, obviously.
Got our table here. Where was this one from? Did you buy that?
Evan, it came out of the bus.
Oh, okay. And there's the front. So we don't know what we're gonna put here yet. Sarah has a beanbag chair we're actually thinking of putting there, so
I think that'd be pretty
we're gonna
sweet.
see. We started putting up a little bit of trim here, but today I think we're gonna start working on the top deck. Sarah has some boards that she wants to make a deck up here, so we're gonna go to Home Depot, get some 2x4s, get some plywood, and start working on that deck. And then we'll have to drill through the roof, and then she wants to work on the ceiling as well, but I don't think the ceiling's gonna go in today.
Are these strong here? Or is this what's strong?
You'd go into these.
Okay.
Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna go to Home Depot, get some supplies, and then we'll check back in and start working here. Also, I forgot to say, if you haven't clued in yet, this is a camper van conversion. So this was like it had like folding seats in the back before. It was like half camper, half like work van.
It was a passenger van.
Yeah, passenger van. Oh yeah, yours didn't have a folding bed, or did it? It did, yeah.
It was like tiny.
Yeah, anyways. So it's camper van, and something else I forgot to say, it's got a big old V8 in it. We don't know if it's the 4.6 or the 5.4, but it's a big V8. It's horrible on fuel. With the lightest foot ever, we went to Canmore last year. Very light on the gas, very easy. I was going for gas mileage, filled up, calculated the fuel economy. It was like 15.2 miles per gallon or like 14.9 or something. Horrible. So, you know, it's a party van. We're trying to put a driving range mat on top too, and a little tee, and have a place to hit some balls off of, because it's just a cool van. So, Schlumber acquired. Okay, Sarah's down there cutting our pieces for our slats for the deck, just our supports. We're gonna screw some 2x4s into the top of the roof here. I think we're gonna do about 7 or 8 of them, then put the boards across this way. So let's start doing that. Okay, here's our cross supports underneath. They're looking pretty good, sized up to the board. We'll jump down now and check out inside, see what the damage is to the roof. Oh yeah, they stick through all an inch or so. I should have got the 2-inch screws, but couldn't find them, so we got the 2.5s, and that's how they stick out everywhere. Wow. Okay, so we're just taking a break from the deck up top there. I'm hiding from the wind. We're checking in on what Sarah's doing here. So Sarah just made this pegboard, painted it. She's got some insulation inside to block off this window. And then we just screwed it in with some metal screws. So now we can hang certain things there and it blocks off a window.
Put bungee cords and stuff. Strap them down.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And now I think the wind's dying down, so we'll jump back up. It's kind of windy. Anyway, I apologize for the wind, but we're gonna start putting on these boards now. We have 11 of them, and we're just gonna, they kind of slat together, and then I'm gonna drill them down. So the planks are laid on now. It actually looks fantastic. So I'm just gonna zap them in with some screws. We'll check back in. First impressions?
I love it.
I think she likes it.
Good job.
A little dance maybe?
It literally looks like a little dance floor.
It does too.
Oh my.
Feed the chickens. Okay, so I'm gonna close out here because my camera's gonna die, but I wanna give you guys a quick cost breakdown. The boards, as you can see, they still have the price tag on them. They were $1 each. Sarah got 11 of them. So 11 of those. The the 2x3s, she got a pack of like this lumber on sale from Home Depot for $15. And then the screws were 11. So that's 22 and 15, $37. So this is a $37 deck with fasteners and everything. So that's pretty darn good. $37. There you have it. Maybe we'll get a little view from down here too. A little side view. Ugh. There it is. Looks good. Okay guys, well, there you go. That's a DIY $37 roof deck. See you next time.
Subscribe for more everything. That's all I ever gotta say.